Hello guys, you use smartphone Nokia C20, this version 2GB RAM memory and 32GB Intel memory. Open box. Look completion. In completion we have device, okay, and documentary, adapter for charging and micro USB cable. This is all completion. And now talk about device. Device made of plastic, camera on the back side and LED, fingerprint without fingerprint scanner, and this speaker, main speaker. Downside micro USB port, this side power cable and case, and on this side without controls. We have open back cover. On the back cover we have slot for 2 nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory. Okay. On the front side we have display 6.5-inch front camera and turn on the device. Okay, device load, display IPS, resolution HD. Okay, open demanded synthetic test Geekbench 5, talk about system information. We have CPU, spread room is C7731, this octa-core processor 4+4 cores, 1.2 and 1.6 GHz CPU speed. Look results, single core score and multi-core score. Okay. And GPU we have power VR, resolution display PPA. Close this, look onto the benchmark results. Undo the benchmark results, okay. Close this. Open the my game GTA San Andreas, look how GTA San Andreas work on the device. GTA San Andreas doesn't work. Start PUBG Mobile, look how PUBG Mobile work on the device. Okay, game load, PUBG Mobile, works low graphic level. Okay, works with little X, can see this. Okay, close this, and now I'll show you photos on the main camera. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.